this on this old train line, I'ma get it done. Now I got the party jumping like it's double dutch. Then we spun the block, came back, double up like, ooh, I got a, and a, yeah, met her uptown, but she from the borough, better known as the boogie down. All sucky now, get up out the kitchen, man, I'm cooking now. Brother man, slip me skin, suck it to me, and they gotta shut their mouth when they talking to me. I look around, it's a whole lot of foxy mamas, but I hit the highs, man, don't want the drama. Hey, peace and love, baby, keep it groovy. Every time we pop out, you know it's a movie. If I'm in hot water, then it's a jacuzzi. I gotta shake, so I'm throwing deuces. I gotta even when I'm down bad. Yeah, I know how to bounce back, cause you know I gotta. And she look good, don't she? I'm talking that shit good for me. Maybe you wanna say, well, some guards, I have to work for them. I still gotta.
So, yeah, so there's an area of balance. On the old 5, like in 520s, it's on this side.
Okay. Okay.
It's blast and balance. And on the 520, it's on the starboard side. I remember on the 500, I thought it was on the port side. And but I don't know if they did it on the 500S or not. I know they did it on the 500 and the 520.
Okay. Trim tabs are manual, right?
Yeah, all the others, that big box that was in there, I don't know if you saw it, or you may got your after I go back down.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, big box, all the others.
Okay. No, I mean, I'm asking, are they automatic or manual, the trim tabs?
Oh, sorry, you said manual. I thought you meant.
Yeah, I got you.
They're manual.
Okay.
And they don't have that. I only know that because the controller doesn't have that auto.
Right.
Oh, it's hard to see. You have to.
Oh, I guess we're gonna walk back over to the. Now, this is my favorite part of operating this boat. This rear or aft joystick. This thing is the absolute bomb. I don't know how you could go without it. It is just unbelievable how easy it is to maneuver with this joystick at the back of this boat. So this vessel is 50 feet long, and when you're operating it, it's kind of tough seeing when you're trying to back the vessel up or trying to dock the vessel from the rear, because you have the galley that's kind of in your way a little bit, blocking your vision on your port side. But when you utilize the joystick at the back of the boat, it is an absolute game changer. So again, I don't know how people could do without it after seeing this thing. Oh my God. No, none of that.
What, and of course we're all on house power now, but when the generator's running, this is going to tell you what everything's doing. It's going to give you all your amps and stuff. These are both the water tanks, and I'm going to fill those up for you before you guys get here. But again, I recommend doing the, and we just drained those.
Right.
So we drained those so we can clean them out.
Got it.
I think I told you about this, that you'll probably never use the heat mode, but let's say for some reason you had to, you have to switch it to off right here, and then to heat, and then depending on how cold the water is, you're gonna have to wait about a half an hour, because the water in that loop has to heat up enough to create heat,
Right, of course.
because it's a reverse cycle.
Of course.
And the same thing when you switch it back over.
Okay.
This is obviously where you switch over when we go to generator power. This shows your different lines that you've got, how much you've got coming in. So there's 110, or 120, sorry, 240. This is actually your hot water heater on and off.
Right, okay.
So, but remember that if you're running the boat, like say you're taking a run over the Bahamas, and you get there and you get the boat washed down, and you're all, ready for a shower, those engines will heat the water. There's like a little loop that heats it. That just basically it runs right by the engine, so it can be heated.
Okay.
That's it here. These I just always leave this on. You can turn all the battery breakers off at once with that key.
Okay.
I don't even know why they have it on there. I'm sure they have a reason, but I've never figured it out.
Okay. Now the inverter here.
Never used the inverter before in my life. I just know it's working.
Yeah.
So that's how you turn it on. So the way obviously the way an inverter works is it takes the power in the house batteries and inverts it to the kind of power you need. All right. But I've never used it, and I don't know many customers that ever used it to tell me how long that's going to work for. Most people run their generator.
Right.
And if it's a pretty day, they don't need AC, so they don't need the inverter.
Right.
Right, you're just running off the house batteries. You got enough 12 volt in that big bank of batteries.
Well, today we are at Marina to do our final sea trial. We had to put our closing off because there were some repairs that needed to be done to the vessel that we found when we did our first sea trial. So we're going to do a second sea trial now that everything is done, and we'll close today. So I trust that the yacht dealer here is taking care of everything. I think I got a good feeling about it, and so as long as everything goes good on the sea trial, we'll close and we'll have our new boat. And here she is. She's ready to go. Going on our sea trial today. Yep. It's kind of windy day today. We just want to get it up on a plane and see what she does.
Who were you with when you were with Volvo?
I was with
Jazz or?
no Jeff,
Yeah, okay.
Marine International.
Hey, how's those guys doing? I don't see them.
All right, we're spinning this right now.
Yeah, I see it.
You see them?
That's left.
I see them all the time. Yeah.
Spin back right. and sell a 80 Viking and easy peasy.
Wow.
Because it's like the smaller boats are harder than the big boats. The
Right.
big boats, never too bad.
Mhm.
But kind of sold a little boat out.
Hey, excuse me.
Yes,
I
sir.
hit the dock. Do we have a water hose?
Yes.
We want to take a water test the window.
Yeah, we got a lot of rain anywhere.
Yeah.
No leaks. Yeah, we have to.
There's a lot of leak coming over there.
Where you see some?
You see water right here. Excuse me. Right here.
I know where water falls.
Yeah, I know it's on the fall, but it's that how do the water get up there and just stay? So is that?
It's not water. It looks like somebody opened a Coke and it went and they cleaned all of it over that.
All right, I'm ready when you're ready.
All righty, wide open. Can y'all shut that?
Yes.
Hotter than blazes. Just a little bit. Like, so.
No, yeah.
How fast you run?
Let's see now. Knots or miles an hour. When I did yesterday, it was 30 miles an hour. Our speed on there. 26 knots. Easy 26, 27 knots, depending on.
Okay.
You're knocking at us?
Yeah, he was like just telling us to hold to slow down.
Yeah, temperatures getting up 190 and climbing.
Yeah. I got 196 here.
Sorry?
I got
196.
196 on this.
I can't
He's
hear
got
you.
196 over here.
They're climbing.
Yeah, it's climbing up, so I don't want to. It's gonna overheat. That's why we pulled back.
Okay.
So let's just do cruise right now. We already know that it needs a cooling service, so
Getting it Saturday.
okay.
Okay.
So let's just do a cruise then. At 75% throttle. Yeah.
Is there a switch to turn this on and off?
Keep going. You got plenty of room. You don't need to snug it all the way up in there.
Mm-hmm.
See, I didn't put it all the way up in there.
Right.
That way it won't get stuck,
Stuck like
it
that,
did.
yeah.
Is there a switch to turn this thing up on and off?
It's always on.
It's always off.
It's always on. The only thing I know is pretty unique to this boat is if you ever route down. I just pulled it out the other day. Somebody else put it in. It wasn't me. There we go.
So these things ought to be deflated just a little before
have
you
to be
put it.
deflated a little
Yeah,
to get it
and
in
it
there.
looks like it's fully deflated right now. That's probably why you're having such a hard time.
It should come out though. I mean, I pulled it right out the other day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it looks like they inflated it.
Yeah.
All right, well. It's easy to do. And there's a pump in the front.
Okay.
Yeah, somebody pulled it out. Service department did it.
Mm-hmm.
'Cause it's never, it usually sits right about there.
Mm-hmm. Let me see if I can.
When you get on, check the temperatures. Make sure it's not going
How's the temp look? How does the temperature look, Galen?
We'll look at it when we pull it up. Yeah, we gotta look at the display. I wanna look at the temperature.
I'm handing over possession.
All right, possession. Go away your phone. You gotta get in.
Think I'm troubling. They don't love me anyway. They don't love me anyway. Trouble is troubling. They don't love me anyway. Don't get my feelings hurt. I know the ceiling's gone. Don't get my feelings hurt. This time I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt. Don't say I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt. I'ma vibe out today. Hey, I'ma vibe out today. Away. I'ma vibe out today. Away. I'ma vibe out today. Away. If I continue, my eyes might break. If I was silent, I would go insane. If I was just lost, then my life would be yours. So give me a name, give me something to react by it.
Well, folks, we're gonna wrap this one up. But we tried to get as much of the process for you guys to check out as we could. Sorry, there are some details we just didn't get in. Had so much going on, but hopefully we'll get more in next time. We'll do better. But for now, we got the boat. We love it, and we're gonna keep it on the west coast of Florida and enjoy it for a month or so before we bring it back home. And we'd like to take you along for the ride, so stay tuned for the next video. Enjoy.
Desire, loving desire, building a fire in the savannah. Loving desire, loving desire.